Oh, hello, Sudoku friends. Hi, guys. Welcome back with the second Sudoku. A Sudoku with 4 stars we have here. And I only do 4 today. The 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku, tectonic, and a binary. In this additional with extra Sudokus of today's newspaper of Friday. Yes, it's Friday, almost weekend. Friday, May the 14th, 2021. And the second Sudoku is a 4 star Sudoku. And this will be a number. This will be number 2790. All right. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24. Correct me if I'm wrong. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level, but you cannot always say 24 printed digits is more difficult than a 25 printed digits. It depends. If you are unlucky and you have a lot of pairs, then the puzzle will be much more difficult. All right, 24 printed digits, and it's a 4 star Sudoku, or stars puzzle. I need 30 minutes or more to solve. So that's my time limit. All right. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. All right. How about? Okay, let's get started. Let's get started. Yes. We have a 2 in the last row, 2 in a row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Yeah. Then, okay. In this big square, we have 7 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here a 2 in the second column, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. There are 2, no 2 in those 3 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. So we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. Only place for the 2 should be there. Hmm. All right. 8, 8. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about the number 7. 1. Yeah. 6. I'm scanning. Okay. 1, 2. 2, 3. Yeah. Let me put some numbers. It's taking too long. We have an 8 in this column, third column, 8 in the first column, so the column between the second column. The only 2 places for the 8 could be here, could be there. In the middle column, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. So the 8 could be here, could be there. All right. 8. So we have an 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above. The only two places for the 8 could be here, could be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, only two places for the 8. Could be here, could be there. Alright. Yeah. 3. 3 in this column, last column, 3 in that column. So the column between, only two places for the 3, could be here, could be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So the last row, the only place for the 9 should be there. In this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 3 boxes. There are 9, no 9 in those 3 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. So we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 9 in that column. So in the column between, the middle column, the only place for the 9 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in the middle column. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1 in this big square. So no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 8 and the 3 are missing in the middle column. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 8 goes there. And look, I've marked those 2 boxes with the 8. Now we have 8 here. So this box can't be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. Okay. So we have an 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here. Or there, we see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 and the 7 are missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 6 and the 7. Okay, so we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. The 6 are going together with the 9 as a pair. Yes, 6 and the 9. So I've eliminated the 8. So the 8 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes with 8 first, but this 8 is eliminated. And those 2 boxes I've also marked with the 8. Now we have an 8 here, so this box cannot be an 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 8. Alright. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. The numbers are the 3 is missing, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 3, 4, and a 5. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 3, 4, 7, 7, 7. Okay. 4, 9. Yeah. 9. Okay. 5, 5. Yes, in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 2 boxes. There, 5, no 5 in those 3 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. So we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column, 5 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place for the 5 should be there. Alright. 3. Okay. 5, 5. Yes, in this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5. No 5 in these 2 boxes. 3 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. So we have a 5 in the third row, 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. Here we have 6 and the 9, so the other pair should be the 4 and the 3. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 3, so this box cannot be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, alright. 2 numbers left in the first row for the numbers 3 and 7. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and 7. 4, 2. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those numbers are the 2, the 4, and the 6 is missing. We look and we have a 2 and a 4 here in the second row. So no 2 and a 4 in this box. The 2 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Okay, so 1 digit left in this big square for the number 6. Now we have a 6 here. So this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. And this box should be a 9. Alright. 2 boxes left in the second row for the numbers 5 and 7. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square should be the numbers 1 and 9. We have a 9 now. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 1 goes there. So we have a 9 in the last column, 9 in that column. So the column between, only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 9. Alright. And now 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1 and 4 is missing. 1 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and 4. The other pair in this big square should be the numbers 3 and 7. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. Only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in the last row. 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And now I cannot continue with the 1. Yeah. Alright. How about these 2 numbers? Let me continue. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing, 5, and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6. And look, we have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are, one of the missing number is a 4. Well, we have a 4 here, so no 4 there. One of those 2 boxes is a 4 in this column, so no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. So this should be also 6 and a 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6 is missing. Well, we have a 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 6 should be there. So the 5 and the 7 are missing now. 5 and the 7. And let me mark those 2 boxes. Here, up here. Yes, 7 and 5. So here also 7 and 5. And 4. Okay. 2 missing numbers. Here we have a 7 and a 5. So this box cannot be a 5 anymore. I have a double 5 there. So 1 box left for the 5. Should be here. 2 numbers left in the last row. 7, 5. 1, 2. The 3 is missing. And the 6. 3 and a 6. 3 and a 6. We see here 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 6 in the third column, 6 in the first column, sorry, 6 in the first column, 6 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. We have a 6 there. This box can't be 6 anymore, that box should be a 6. And this box should be a 7. We count, and all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 6, alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 4 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 4 goes and there. 1 number left in the second column for the number 3, I believe. Yes, 3 is missing. I have marked those 2 boxes, 3 and a 7. Now we have a 3 here, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 7. Alright. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 7 should be here, and I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 here, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 4. Alright, 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 4. 7 and a 5 are missing in this column. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 7. Alright, and the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 7 and 4. 7 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. I give this again a 2 stars. Yes. And I like this one. Yes. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you very soon with the other 2 puzzles. A binary puzzle and a tectonic are left for you today. See you then. Bye-bye for now.